All right, in this video, if you happen to be building your own screened-in porch or looking to replace the screens in your porch if they're kind of all shot and you want a do-it-yourself kind of cheap way, I'm going to show you a design that might actually work. Now, obviously, your situation might be different, your frames might be different, and the contents of this video might not actually help you. But of course they might, which is why I'm making this video. So basically what you're going to do here is I've got some 1x2s that basically serve as the backing for these screens. And you can kind of do it yourself, make these window screens or the frame for them. But this 1x2 backing, check it out. We got a vertical, two horizontal ones, one on the bottom, one on the top, and two verticals, one on each side. How easy is that, right? And you paint them, put some paintable caulking to kind of help with the seams, make sure this is treated lumber, preferably, so it is resistant to rot and whatnot. And that is basically it. Now, really simple job. On the actual screen part is basically not unlike your screens that might be on your house right now already. Like for a normal window, you've got this white aluminum piece and an elbow piece to connect them. Can you see that? And then we've got these flathead screws that actually screw in through the metal, securing them to the 1x2 backings on the other side. Super easy, right? Look at that. And they're very sturdy, complete as long as those screws are in there. And you can see I've painted over them too to kind of match, so you don't see the screws as prominently. But once those screws are in there, you can endure some pretty high winds, and those things will not go anywhere. And you can also custom cut these. It's just a matter of cutting these aluminum pieces down to length. And then you've got these little plastic elbow pieces, so you can really, there's no limit to the kind of design that you can do. Some of the angles are more tricky, but this is basically how it works. Another look at the aluminum pieces. And if you've not used this before, this is kind of how it works. You wouldn't put them together like that because, again, you saw those plastic elbow pieces, right? So really it's a matter of just plugging in those elbow pieces. They just kind of pop in, and then you get your screen. Obviously you have to buy a big roll of this screen and these little rubber pieces that kind of fit in the groove right there. Can you see that? So you put the rubber pieces in, secure them down. After you've got your frame all cut out to size, put those rubber pieces in and then cut with a razor blade the excess screen, and that is it. It's a super cheap, save a ton of money, and it looks great. So hopefully this has helped. Thanks so much.